Today I'm going to show you how I make my delicious fresh green beans. Let's get to it.
We're going to be using fresh green beans because fresh is best, and I like to use these in a bag here. Using kitchen shears or a knife, snip off the ends. This is a 32-ounce bag, and I ended up using about half of the bag here, or almost half of it. To a pot of boiling water, add your green beans and cook for 6 minutes. For crisp texture and smoky flavor, grab 5 slices of bacon and chop them into small bite-sized pieces. If you've never been to my YouTube, I invite you to be a part of it by subscribing and hit that little bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Also, be sure and check out my community section at the top where you'll get to know me on a more personal level. Now chop and dice half of an onion and 3 to 4 fresh garlic cloves. Once your green beans are done, let them drain in the sink for just a bit. In the meantime, to a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add your onions and saute for a couple of minutes. Add your bacon and cook until tender or crispy. Sometimes I like to cook my bacon first, and I use the grease of my bacon to my advantage and saute my onions in there, but I still do like to add the butter for some added flavor. Let's add our green beans. Give them a good mix to combine the yummy flavor of the bacon and onions. For our seasoning, we'll start with salt and pepper. If you're interested in my salt and pepper grinders, I'll post the link on where I got them in the description section below. All right, now we're going to add a little bit of thyme. I would say about 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of rosemary. And our fresh garlic cloves. Now, if you don't have fresh garlic cloves, you can add the minced garlic in a bottle. You could do 3 teaspoons of that. Each teaspoon is equivalent to 1 clove of garlic. For a little extra flavor, I also like to add 1 teaspoon of Sriracha sauce. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good already. I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat down to low. And sometimes it's easier if you use tongs. They're a lot easier to toss. Next, you want to squeeze half of a lemon. This is going to give it a really nice flavor too. Next, you'll need Parmesan cheese, and it's best if you grate it yourself, but if you have a bag, that's perfectly fine. You want to sprinkle the Parmesan cheese on top of the beans and bacon, allowing it to melt and fuse with the other ingredients. The result, friends, is a mouth-watering dish that is sure to please any palate.
Wow.
You can finish it off with a little more pepper if you'd like. And here you have it, the perfect side dish for any meal. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. And please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.